Hi everyone, Kelly here, and one of my viewers asked for a tutorial on how to do the Seed of Life. So in order to do the Seed of Life, you need paper, a ruler, a pencil, and a good compass. This is my favorite compass. It's a bow compass, and but it only takes pencil. So I'm going to use this other compass that does take pen. It just makes it easier for you to see it in the video. I usually do it in pencil and then trace over it. But anyway, okay, so mark your page about halfway in the middle. Do it twice. And then what you're going to do is you're going to connect those dots and make a line down the center of your page. You can do it horizontally or vertically, but I like to do it vertically. I'm doing this in real time, so this is how I actually do it. Then I'm going to take and I'm going to roughly mark the center point on that line right there in the center, and that is where my compass point is going to go. Sammy's trying to help. Okay, and there's the point of the compass. You just put that right on that point and draw your circle. Hold your compass at the top so you're not putting more pressure on one leg or the other. And just do it really carefully and slowly. You don't have to put much pressure. Just very gently and carefully. One thing I have to do is I have to go at it from different angles. It makes it easier for me, and I get a better circle when I go around different ways. Okay, now see where the line intersects with the circle? That's going to, on the bottom one here, we're going to put the compass point right on that intersection, and that's where we're going to draw the next circle. Okay, now we're going to move to the next one, and we're going to go to the top of the center circle, and where that line and the circle intersect, that's where we're going to put the compass point. And I always check, make sure that it's going to meet at that intersection point right there in the middle. Okay, so far so good. Now where the two circles intersect, we're going to place the point of the compass and we're going to draw another circle. And I always check where the points are supposed to intersect and make sure, because these compasses they're a little wobbly, they're usually not super precise. So it's good to just check and make sure. And usually they're going to be a little bit off and you might have to adjust. And you just try to get it where it meets them all as best you can. And you know, they may just be a little tiny bit off. I'm not sure why that is. Maybe the legs respond a little bit to pressure, but it takes a lot of practice to do this. You probably won't get it right the first time, and that's okay. Just get some scrap paper and practice on that. Okay, now see where those three circles intersect? That's where I'm going to put the compass, and I'm going to check again and make sure the intersections look right. There might be a little bit of adjustment. Okay, here we go. Yep, that's a little better. It takes kind of a light touch. And one thing when you're doing it with pencil, make sure your pencil of your compass is really sharp, because the width of your pencil line is going to affect the precision. All right, now we're going to put the compass point right there, and I adjusted a little bit. Checking. Okay. Checking again. You know that whole adage, measure twice, cut once. It works the same way with drawing with a compass. Okay, one more circle. And see where those 3 circles intersect? That's where the compass point is going to go. It takes a lot of practice, but you can do it. I know you can. And here it is finished, the Seed of Life. And if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. In the meantime, have a great day and happy drawing.